Hello children, today I am going to explain the last two stanzas of section 3, unit 6, the Colonel Fazakar lay Butterworth toast. So let's see the children, the last two stanzas that are left. But Colonel Fazakar lay just as before, bus was simply delighted and called out encore, at which the ghost vanished, his efforts in vain, and never was seen at the castle again. So, he seeing the activities of the ghost, the activities of mourning, rattling the chain, shaking into beds, making the clattering sound of the bones. All these activities don't affect to the colonel, and colonel remained same as before, quiet and calm. Delighted with these activities, he watched all this activity, and he was also full of merriment seeing all this activity, and he asked him to do again. Encore means doing again, repeat. So he asked him to do these activities again. Instead of getting afraid of these activities, he asked him to do again. He enjoyed the activities so much. And hearing this remark, the ghost became out of control. He lost his balance. He thought that all his efforts to scare him became vain. Vain means waste, useless, because it is not affected to the colonel. He was not succeeded in terrifying the colonel. So he vanished from there. Vanished means disappeared. So after hearing these remarks, he became helpless, hopeless. He thought that his efforts are vain, so he disappeared from that place, and again he was never seen there, and he didn't come again there. Oh dear, what a pity, said Colonel Fazak. I don't know his name, so I can't call him back. And then, with a smile that was hard to define, Colonel Fazakar went into dine. Then Colonel became sad to see that the ghost has gone from there forever. He was very sorry. He says that he doesn't know the name of that person, so how he called him back? He reminded his smile that was different. Then he smiled, and his smile was mysterious. Means it is not easy to understand the meaning of his smile. He smiled and then go to the dine. And then Colonel Fazakar went for dinner. So children, I hope you enjoyed this poem so much. You will enjoy this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. And if you got this videos helpful, so please make some remarks that what I do. Make some comments if you like. If you need to ask anything, you can comment me, you can ask me. Okay, thank you so much.